I'm trying to do is check my chipset, because that's where the bent pins were. Or is it CPU configuration? And I'm trying to figure out exactly what those bent pins, if they are affecting anything at all, or if it is, as I suspect, this video card. I ordered a new power supply and I got a new video card as well. But as of right now, I want to see if I can rule out that bent CPU socket, because we did physically fix it, but at least visually we physically fixed it, but they're very finicky. It could lead to all kind of problems.